Today we will learn how to create a responsive table in Figma using auto layout. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once there, you will see the option to sign into Figma. At the top right corner of the page, locate the sign in button and click on it to proceed. After clicking on the sign in button, you will notice an option that says continue with Google. This is a quick and convenient way to sign in. Click on continue with Google and you will be prompted to choose one of your Google accounts. Select the account you would like to use for Figma and the website will automatically log you in. Once you are logged into your Figma account, you will need to navigate to your project workspace. Open the project where you intend to create your table. Having your project open puts you in the right environment to start designing. Now that you are in your project, take a moment to locate the text tool from the toolbar, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Click on the text tool so that you are able to start editing text on your design canvas. After selecting the text tool, you can now begin typing directly on the canvas. In the text editor, type the label column 1. This label will serve as one of the headers for your table. Once you have typed the label, click anywhere outside the text box to save your entry. This action finalizes the text element on your canvas. With the text element saved, it is time to duplicate it. You can duplicate by selecting your text element and using the Ctrl-D key combination. This duplication is the first step toward creating additional columns for your table. After the first duplication, you will need to duplicate the text element twice more to create a total of 3 columns. With these text elements in place, proceed by highlighting all of the text across the 3 labels. At this point, right-click on the highlighted text and choose the Add Auto Layout option from the context menu. Auto Layout is a powerful feature in Figma that helps you maintain the layout of your elements even when changes occur. Once you have added Auto Layout, make your design even more modular by pressing the Ctrl, Alt and K keys simultaneously. This key combination converts the arranged text elements into a component, which allows you to reuse the design easily. It is important to give your component a meaningful name for easy reference later. Rename your newly created component to Row 1. Now that you have your component, look to the left panel of Figma where you will find the Assets tab. In Assets, you will see your component listed. Click on it and then drag it into your editor. For a table layout, repeat this process by dragging the component at least 3 times onto your canvas. After placing multiple copies of the component, it is time to adjust the visual style. Look under the Fill section in the Properties panel where you can modify the colors for both the font and the background. Changing these colors allows your table to match your overall design aesthetic. Finally, with your table structure in place and styled, you can now begin editing your column headers further and add more specific details to your table as needed. By following these steps, you have efficiently created a flexible and responsive table in Figma using auto layout that can be easily adjusted and reused throughout your project.